Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely wonderful day. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I do appreciate it. I hope you all, again, are having a great day. And if you have not already, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I do have our 1,500 subscriber giveaway going on. And make sure you hit that notification bell if you have not already. I am going to be doing live giveaways, so you want to make sure you have that notification bell pressed so you do get notified when I go live. But as you can see, this video today is the February 2019 Birchbox. I really enjoy Birchbox. It is a $10 monthly subscription and you receive 5 sample, sometimes deluxe size sample beauty products. So I really like it. Some people don't care for it so much, but I do. I've been happy with Birchbox, so I'm excited to dive in here and see what February has in store. I think the box is super cute this month with the little hearts. And so yeah, I will leave a link down below if you would like to sign up. So we pull out our card. It says, "We're spreading the love this month and every month. Thank you for making Birchbox what it is today." And then as always on the back side, it tells us about our products and the full size pricing. So we are just going to dive in. This is what we see when we open it. So the first thing that's catching my eye is this Wilma Schumann European Skincare Hydrating Collagen Eye Pads. And this is this item right here. These pads are infused with pure collagen to hydrate, depuff, and plump the delicate under eye area. To use, place one under each eye and leave on for 20 minutes. And it says the full size is $18. So we got some under eye masks, which are always great to have. You can never have too many of those. And then we got from number 4. Oh, they do. Not sure how to say this. Jour d'Automne. I have no idea. It's a smoothing balm. There you go. Full size is $30. It says prep damp strands with this styling cream, which contains tiny molecules that penetrate each strand to minimize frizz, give touchable texture, and protect against heat damage. So there is that. Let's see. I want to see if it... smells good. It's not like overly strong or overpowering or anything. So let's see. Then we have... all right. If you've ever received a beauty subscription box, whether it be Birchbox, Ipsy, Allure, Play by Sephora, I guarantee that you have received this item at least once. I know I have. This is the Ico Skinny Liquid Eyeliner in black. The full size is $22. It says whether you want to achieve a subtle defined line or a more advanced cat eye, this liquid eyeliner gives you a precise line of any thickness thanks to its easy to hold pen tip. This is a really great eyeliner, but like I said, I've received this actually quite a few times in various subscriptions. So I'm going to be putting this to the side for a giveaway. So one of you guys will end up with this item here. And then we have from MAC Cosmetics an Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash Mascara. Full size is $24. This is a really good mascara. I've actually received this as well. It says, want lashes that are as dimensional as you are? Swipe on this clump-free carbon black mascara that lengthens, conditions, and defines every lash. So I will actually put this aside as well for a giveaway because I have used it before. And it is a really, really wonderful mascara. I'm just currently using my Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced and the It Cosmetics Superhero mascara. So I don't really need that right now. So I'll just pass it along. And then finally, we have, this is actually very pretty, from Stila Cosmetics, the Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in Paradiso. Full size is $22. This creamy liquid lipstick in a cranberry shade glides on like It glides on like a gloss, yet lasts like a stain. And if I did not say, the full size is $22. You guys, this color is beautiful. Like, it really, really is. Ooh. Like, it is so pretty. Like, that is such a pretty color. I really, really like that. So that was my Birchbox for February 2019. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys received Birchbox, and if you do, what you received this month. Do you like Birchbox? Do you think it's worth the $10? I will leave a link down below in case anyone would like to sign up. And don't forget the giveaway. You want to make sure you enter and hit that notification bell once you have subscribed, so you will get notified anytime I go live for any future of giveaways that I will be doing. So that pretty much sums up this video. So thank you for hanging out with me for a few minutes. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will talk with you guys soon. Bye.